Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wire up 3 LEDs to some buttons so that when you click the button, the LEDs will switch on. This is very simple, and all you'll need is a breadboard, 8 jumper cables, 3 LEDs, 3 220 ohm resistors, 3 push buttons, your Arduino itself, and a 9-volt battery. And basically all you have to do to wire this up is very simple. I'm going to start with my buttons on this side over here and just put them in the middle like that, so crossing that bridge in the middle. Then I'm going to skip a gap just so that the buttons don't get stuck on each other, and I'm going to push that one in like that, just like that. And then I'm going to put my last one in exactly the same way, just like that. Okay, so now we can start wiring this up. I'm going to take 3 jumper cables from here, and all I'm going to do is go from the left side of that silver coming out, so in that same vertical row over here, I'm going to push that in and connect it to the positive. Then I'm going to do exactly the same for the other 2, so from that left hand side into my positive. There we go. And for the third one as well, just like that. Okay, now all I have to do now is I'm going to start wiring up my LEDs. So I'm going to put them actually right next to each other. It's going to look nice that way. I'm going to leave a small gap in between them so that I have some space to work with my resistors, just like that. There we go. That's what your breadboard should be looking like right now. I'm going to take the rest of my cables, and all you want to do is go from the other lead back there, so going in that same vertical column, just like that. Then I'm going to take it to the back, and I'm going to connect it to the positive end of my LED. You can see that I put all my LEDs with the positive end on the left hand side, just like that. And I'm going to do that for all of them. So I'm going to take my wire, plug it into there, and plug it into the back like that. And last one, plug it into there, and plug it into the back like that. Then I'm going to take my resistors. I'm going to take it from the front of the LEDs on their negative side, so on the other side. I'm just going to put it in that same vertical column and then put it into the negative of my breadboard, just like that. I'm going to do that with all 3 of them. They're looking a bit messy, but that's fine. And lastly, this one. There we go. All I have to do now is plug this into my Arduino, which is very simple. I'm going to go to my side with analog pins, but I'm going to go with the power pins. I'm going to plug one cable into the 5 volts and one cable into the ground, just like that. And then just put those cables, so the 5 volts one goes into your positive and the ground one goes into your negative. Okay, that's basically all you need to do for the wiring. I'm going to turn this around like this and plug it into my battery. There we go, my Arduino has switched on. And if I've done this correctly, when I click the button, the LEDs should go on with the correlating button. So you can click them all 3 at once, or you can just click them individually. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.